Hi crafty friends, it's Amber and I'm so excited that you just clicked on this video because this is going to be a cozy DIY kind of Dollar Tree Christmas idea video, and it is in collaboration with my really good crafty friend Rebecca. She is over at Create with Rebecca or Rebecca Hoot on YouTube and Instagram, and I'm sure a lot of you know and love her. So all night tonight is her pajama party. It's her Rebecca Hoot Crafty Christmas Pajama Party, and she invited me to be the guest crafter for tonight's fun. So I'm so honored and thankful that she included me in this fun night, and this is going to be all about crafty Christmas kind of girly DIY gifts that you can make for a slumber party like tonight, or you can do it for like favors for a little tea party or something, or even at your craft fair you can use these ideas. So tonight we're gonna get super creative with all this Dollar Tree stuff. The only stuff that's not from Dollar Tree are these nail files, but you can totally find nail files at Dollar Tree as well. But my sister gifted these to me and they're for a craft fair project, but we're gonna include them in tonight's fun because I'm doing this all things girly, Christmassy, sparkly, and fun. So if you don't know Rebecca, she is my crafty idol. I've been following her on Instagram and YouTube for years. She is one of my biggest inspirations for crafting and art. She's just, her posts and her videos and all of her content is just so happy and inspirational. I just absolutely adore all of her stuff. So go over there and follow her. Check out all of her slumber party videos. I'm going to put the schedule right here on the screen for you so you can see the fun. And the good thing is that if you missed the videos before this one, you can head over and they're all on her channel. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be making some really fun little DIY gifts with all this Dollar Tree stuff, and I cannot wait to show you. Okay, so we are going to do this project first, and it's going to be super easy. Everything you see here is from Dollar Tree. These Snugadoo socks are my favorite. They are so soft. I have so many pairs of these, and they're so comfortable and cozy, and oh, they're just so soft. So I love getting these. So to make 2 of these little, I call them, I guess, peppermint, I guess these are going to be called sock peppermints. I don't know. We'll think of a good name for these. But this is something that I learned years ago on a video, and I believe it was Catherine from Do It on a Dime. She did a variation of this. I'm going to do it a little bit different than her, but I remember, and it totally stuck with me, and I've always wanted to make these, and I thought this was the perfect time. So to make 2 of these peppermint wheel socks, or whatever we're calling them, you're going to need 4 pair of these Snugadoo socks, and they're just $1 each at the Dollar Tree. So if you're just making 1, you just need 2 pairs. And then some curling ribbon, 2 nail polishes. So I picked this really pretty sparkly nail polish. It's got glitter, and it has like a pink purpley tone and silver. And then some jingle bells. And I chose these big ones. And so you're just going to need 4 jingle bells, or if you want to put multiple jingle bells, get more, but I chose the big ones. And then also you just need to pick up one of these clear wrap rolls from Dollar Tree. So let's get started on this fun cozy project. Okay, so all you need to do is grab your socks, and I want the white one here in the inside, and then this pretty purple and like coral stripes on the outside. So I'm just going to turn them around and take my sparkly nail polish and just stick it pretty much in the center. And you don't even have to take these off. You can leave them right on there, and then just kind of roll these up around that nail polish. It's the easiest thing ever. And then just bring this around and see how it kind of looks like a cute little peppermint candy. So cute. So then you take your rubber band or your scrunchie or whatever you choose to use, a hair tie, and just secure that around there. I'm using a piece of elastic because I didn't have any cute scrunchies. So I'm just going to take my little socks now and put them kind of to the edge of that clear wrap, and then I'm just going to roll it up like this. Just like that until that's at the top. And then I'll bring this in and just secure it with 1 piece of tape. And then it's super easy from here. You just take some curling ribbon. I'm gonna take my ribbon and tie both sides. Okay, so before we do the curl the ribbon, I'm going to string my cute little jingle bells on there. I'm going to do one for each side. So again, these big ones here I got at Dollar Tree. And just slip that in there and secure it right on there. I mean, how cute and easy is this? It's so inexpensive to make. You can find all the products at Dollar Tree, and then you can make these for fun little favors at any Christmas party. I'm just gonna curl the ribbon. Oh my goodness. Here is our cute little peppermint sock gift with the jingle bells and the curling ribbon. I think it turned out super cute. Oh my goodness, I love it. And there's a nail polish in there, 2 pairs of socks, and it looks just like a cute Christmas candy. You could totally do this without the jingle bells, but I think the sound just makes it more festive. So there's this one. And let's go ahead and do one more. Okay, so I did this one without the jingle bells so you can see what it looks like. I think it looks just as cute. You can even add little mini jingle bells on there. I think that is super adorable. And here's our other one. And they're perfect for a Christmas crafty slumber party. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Okay, so this is going to be super simple. Here's what the final product looks like. It's just a cute little Christmassy nail file, and I added a mini candy cane and a cute little printable that says "For Your Mistletoes," and I'll link the Etsy shop that I got this in below. So this is what it looks like, and it's double-sided and it's protected with a clear bag. So it says "For Your Mistletoes," and it can kind of go along with the socks and the nail polish. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you how to make these. So you're just going to start off with some double-sided scrapbook paper that measures 2 1/8 by 8. And these little nail files are the standard size of a nail file. So you can pretty much make these your own if you want, but I'm using clear bags. So I love using these for like craft fair projects and stuff, and I use these for my Hershey Nuggets. So I'm using these like long, skinny, clear bags, and I'm going to link the exact ones that I used for this project below, along with my coupon code like always. So then what you do is, this is optional. You can just use your scissors if you want, but if you have an envelope punch board, this is so cool. So all you do is you line it up at 4 inches, which is the center, and then punch. So it gives it a little notch, and then just turn it over, line it up again at 4 inches, and punch. So now you have a piece shaped like this. So then all you do is choose the side you want to be the front, and I want this cute snowflake paper to show. So I'm just going to slip it in the clear bag where the bottom, where the closure is at the bottom. So I'm just gonna stick it in there. It's a perfect fit for the dimension that I'll link below for these clear bags. Okay, so then you just do that. It's so easy, right? And then you just take your scissors and you cut out the notch just by hand where the little gaps are right there. You just cut the plastic away. So I'm just cutting that little part of the plastic bag away. And now it's like this. So then you just stick your little nail file in. And the cute little guy on the front is going to be covered up because we're going to decorate the front, but it'll still be really, really cute. So then I just stick that in there, and because it's like a porous surface and it's kind of like rough because it's a nail file, it stays really well in place. So then take some cute twine or string, or you can even use the curling ribbon again. I totally left my red and white Christmassy twine. I don't have it with me because I took it to my sister's last night. So I'm gonna just use some black and white, which is fine. It's pretty wintry. And so then you just take it and wrap it around a couple times. You don't have to use this much. I like to just have that like wrapped around look. And then this is where the mini candy canes come in. I got this pack right here of blue and pink mini candy canes. They're blue raspberry and cherry, and I got them from Dollar Tree. You get 20 in a pack. So I'm going to take these cute pink ones, and this is in its own little plastic bag, but what I like to do is have the smooth side on the front, and then I will just take the two ends and fold them back and then put a piece of tape there, so that way it's kind of more cleaned up. So that's all I did, is I just taped the two ends with a piece of tape, so that way the front is nice and clean and not bulky. So then I just stick that in the center, and then you take your twine and tie this in a tight double knot. And you have those notches there so you can pull it pretty tight. And then just do this in a double knot. Just like this. So here's where these adorable printables come in. I got these from Etsy, and they were a digital printable, so I just paid like not even that much for this entire sheet. And again, I'll link the Etsy shop that I bought this from. I can't remember the name of it right now, but I'll link it below. And then you just take a hole punch and punch it in the corner and then stick it through. I should have closed this before, but it doesn't matter. So I'm just going to peel off the adhesive strip and close this up. This could not be cuter. Oh my goodness. Isn't this just adorable? This is the cutest little Christmas favor, and you could totally make these for your craft fair as well. And you know I'll probably be doing that. So stay tuned for that. And you know I'll probably end up doing that. I just have to make sure that this Etsy shop doesn't prohibit using these in crafts that you sell. Other than that, this would just be the cutest gift. If that's the case, you could gift these to as many people as you want. Oh my gosh, the little candy cane is just the cutest little Christmas touch. And it's double-sided. You could even like write your message back here if you're going to give one to each of your friends, or like a tea party like I said, or even if you're having a crafty Christmas slumber party like we are. So this is so fun. Here's this one. I could just make these for hours. That was so much fun, and I love the little mini candy canes. And here are adorable little peppermint socks. And imagine pairing this with this, like that, and oh my goodness, wouldn't that be the cutest little gift? There's nail polish, a nail file, socks, even a little candy cane for your mistletoes. Very Christmas themed. I hope that you had fun with me tonight. I had so much fun, and I hope that you caught all of Rebecca's videos. They're super creative and inspirational and fun. So if you missed those, I'm going to link her channel below so you can go over and watch the rest of those. I thank you, Rebecca, so much for including me in this fun slumber party night. I hope that you all enjoyed these projects. Thank you so much for joining us for this fun, crafty Christmas slumber party. Thanks again to Rebecca for hosting, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!